In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube recommendations when they are no longer relevant to your interests. Let's get started. First, I open Chrome and type YouTube into the address bar to open the website. Once the home page loads, I go up to the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click the three vertical dots to open the browser menu. I hover over History and click on History to open my Chrome browser history tab. On the left sidebar, I click on Delete Browsing Data. This opens a pop-up settings window. I make sure the time range is set to all time, check the relevant options like browsing history, and then click Delete Data at the bottom right. Once the data is cleared, I close the Settings tab and return to YouTube. Back on YouTube, I click Allow on the notification prompt. Now, let's reset your YouTube activity history directly. On the left navigation menu, I scroll down and click on History. On the right side under Manage All History, I click on Manage All History. This opens your Google activity page for YouTube. In the left menu, I select Interactions. Here, you can see all your past video interactions. I click on Likes and Dislikes to review my video ratings. To reset these and improve recommendations, I go to the left menu and click Delete All. A confirmation prompt appears asking if I want to delete all likes and dislikes, and I click Delete. After the activity is cleared, I close the Google Activity tab and go back to YouTube. I click on the YouTube logo at the top left to return to the home page. As I scroll through the feed, if I still see videos or channels that I'm not interested in, I can manually tweak the algorithm. I find a video I don't like, click the three dots next to the video title, and select Don't Recommend the channel. YouTube will immediately remove content from that channel. For sponsored posts or ads, I click the three dots and select Why You're Seeing This to manage ad preferences. For other regular video recommendations that don't interest me, I click the three dots next to the title and click Not Interested. By clearing your Chrome browsing data, deleting your past YouTube interactions, and actively marking unwanted content as not interested, YouTube will quickly rebuild a fresh, relevant recommendation feed tailored to what you actually want to watch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.